So you want to be a YouTuber? If someone asked me where do I want to be this time next year, the first thing that would enter my head would be YouTube statistics. 20,000 subscribers, 3 million views, 100,000 watch hours. What wouldn't come into my head would be the type of content I want to be creating. Finding your path, finding your niche, finding your audience. People put so much emphasis on standing out from the crowd and being original. I find myself asking on a daily basis, am I being original? Or am I just another voice getting lost in a sea of louder and more enthusiastic people? For some, their direction comes naturally. For others, they work at something for years, never really finding the fulfillment that they were looking for. Always chasing the next like, the next comment, or the next subscriber, and never finding the direction they so desperately want. Procrastination, trepidation, and the constant urge to give your viewers what they want. But what is that? What makes me different to the thousands of people who have tried and failed before me? Determination, passion, and the overriding feeling that this is what I'm meant to do. Making YouTube videos isn't something I want to do, it's something I need to do. That's what stands me out from the crowd. From the outside, I probably look like I know what I'm doing and where I'm heading. I don't. Where do I want to be this time next year? Your guess is as good as mine. Maybe I'm overthinking this. Maybe this doesn't matter. Maybe it's not the destination, but the journey.